Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing a duffel bag for you guys to see. So this duffel bag has a total of 11 different bag compartments, and you can also store 2 mini main bags as well. Also, it has a port for your sneakers right in here. So if you're using this for hiking or for the gym or anything related, so the shoes will go right inside here. So that's definitely a plus feature. We take a look right here. On the side you have a storage compartment right in here. You have nice metallic silver straps. Go ahead and open this up, and as you can see, it is extremely deep. And on the side here, you can see you have pockets right in here. And on the other side, the zipper pocket. You get an extra strap inside. So, also they supply you with a pouch. Also, multiple bags. So let's say you have gone to the pool and your clothes are wet, you can go ahead and put them in here. So you got multiple different bags inside this bag. So that is definitely a plus. Not to mention, the storage capacity is a lot. So this duffel bag is 20 inches by 10 by 10. The weight is 1.2 pounds. The shoe compartment and wet pockets work great for any adventure that you have. So the shoe compartment is 18 by 16.5 inches, and the larger wet pockets 20 by 10. So right up here, as you can see, this is another pocket. Now this is the wet pocket, so this is good for your shoes or anything wet that you have. Clothing can go right in here and it will not affect anything else that you have. So that is a big added bonus, especially if you're going to the lake, going to the pool, going hiking, or whatnot. So all metal that you see on here, like the zippers and everything, is stainless steel chrome plated. So the durability will last a long time. So with this duffel bag, not only with all the other features that you can use this with, but you can use it for sports. Plenty of space for storing gym equipment, workout gear, extra clothes, a water bottle, your mat, towel, and so much more. So apart from using this going to the gym, you can use this for all purposes like dance class, swimming class, traveling, workout, yoga, hunting, tennis, fishing, and other outdoor activities. So if you guys need a duffel bag, overall it's a very nice duffel bag. The size is great, and it collapses really great into small. So as you can see, it folds up really nicely, easy for storage. Pop it right out, and you're on the go. I like it. It definitely is really nice, and I'm actually going to be using this one for when I go to our cabin. So up in the mountains, we can take stuff with me. I don't have to worry about, lugging shoes around. And just simply open this up, put the shoes in, and we're good to go. So I'm size 12.5 to 13 sneaker. Now these are my size, yes, these are my size 13 sneakers. Let's go ahead and see how they fit. So first we want to go in here and open it up. So once you open it up, slide your sneakers right in there. Look at that, they even fit side by side, and there's room if you wanted to stack them. Look at that. Look at that. Is that not amazing or what? Yep, this duffel bag gets a 4-star rating from me.